and you're looking for an easy solution to go to the grocery store, caveat, I've been wearing masks when I go running outside for years because I don't like the sun. I get like sunspots and it's just really bad for your face. So I wear masks when I'm outside running exposed to the sun. So I don't care what people think about me when I'm looking ridiculous in public, I guess, to protect my skin. So I thought about this, and you might laugh, but it's a good idea. We all have bra pads, okay, from like clothes that we, that come with it, or I don't know, an old bra you can even cut, but this is like the inside insert. And this is an old bra strap. And all you do is like take it out, poke a little hole, and then pull it through using one of your bra straps, or you can use a shoelace or like whatever you want. And then there it is. It's a mask. I mean, I can talk with it on, I can go to the grocery store. It's gonna, you know, it'll protect me from the important things that I'm trying to keep away from, like people sneezing on me, right? There's one. The other